Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Most of us we are working in an organization, and always we find that work style in the organization is already into practice. Now, conflicts takes place when we have a work style with us, either in idea or carrying from where we are coming, means from which organization we are coming. We have worked over there, we are comfortable, we recognize the process, flow, but when you land into new organization, then clashes started taking place. You start प्रोवोकिंग अगेंस्ट दी वर्क स्टाइल, कौन सा कार्य कैसे करना चाहिए, आपको ढेर सारे हिंड्रेंसेस आते हैं। बहुत छोटी सी बात, बहुत हल्की और बहुत ही छोटी सी बात मैं आपसे शेयर करना चाहूँगा। हर एक इंसान को, हर एक एम्प्लॉय को जेरोक्स लेना एक इम्पॉर्टेंट काम के जैसा होता है। कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में प्यून होते हैं, आप उनको बुलाइए, वो आपको जेरोक्स ला के दे देंगे। कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में इस पर रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हैं, आप खुद उठें और आप जाएं, जेरोक्स निकालें, एंट्री करें और अपने जगह पे आएं। सेकेंड स्टाइल को पीपल डोंट एक्सेप्ट, दे फील एज इफ दे आर वर्किंग लाइक ए प्यून डूइंग दैट वर्क। नाउ पार्टली I will share my experience that second system, that is go and take the Xerox by self. Somehow it is very important because document secrecy, it should be with you. It should not be leaked out. If such documents you are giving to Pune for Xerox, no doubt you cannot keep on watching him and he can read certain contents, and those contents can be leaked out of your organization. Then it becomes very big challenge, business challenge, and lot of hue and cry start taking place. Now lot of other activities you perform, like a simple labor license, you taken it out, and some management do not want it to be handled by Pune. It is perception, because management philosophy, all policies and procedure is out of the management philosophy, so you cannot have any control on that. That top management thinks and they have made the policy that you have to do, you have to do. There is no if and buts. Likewise, personnel file, employees file. Most of the organization, they keep it open. HR department can go and take the file, work upon that and put it on the same place. I know few organization, big organization, who has put all the files under a dedicated officer, and you will laugh that he is ex-retired IPS level person. Saying this does not mean that only keeping the file, that is his KRA. No. But management want that the register which is kept on the table of that person, in front of him, even a BPHR has to go personally, write in the register, sign and go and take by your own work and return before you call off the day. You will laugh, I know, but this is also system, and that company is having around 40,000 people, and in the heart of the city of the Bombay they are doing the business. And this is not the story of one, this is, I know 10 companies, they do it like. So it depends on the management philosophy, that how they perceive about the risk and responsibility of migration of files, personal files, drawings file, legal papers, in so many things they keep under the strict vigilance. Now you are coming from a company where file is in the cabinet, in a drawer, or kept somewhere in the corner, and forget about that, you will go and take. You are asking a peon and peon is giving you, and in front of you peon opens and reads, but you don't take the call because their work style is different. Here work style is different. Giving exam, a very small example, I am citing this to you. There is the organization who are having outdoor duty system, OD slip. There is no hard and fast rule that when you want to go before 15 minutes, get the OD filled properly, go to the IPS rank person, go to the trustworthy person of management, irrespective to his post and position, get it signed, give it to him, and in turn he will give it to HR department after 3 days, after 2 days. What is this? Otherwise it's a OD slip. Its process should be minimized. HR banda will keep the OD slips, persons will take from our reception, will keep the OD slip, people will take it, fill it, take the signature of HOD, give it to HR department, matter is closed. No, but they make the long cut, as I shared with you. So it is management philosophy, but definitely, no doubt, management philosophy is not only one philosophy to manage the operation of the organization, process, flow of the organization. It should be a joint committee, and so many heads should be involved into chalking out this kind of their process, system and procedure, so that it is the system based, it is the employee friendly, it is organizational friendly, and it keeps each and everything safe and secure. So time limitation is calling me to call off this session, but few examples I have given you. Take the example of one more courier, dock and courier. From the reception, in general it goes to HR. HR is distributes, marks and a peon distributes. But in some organization, from reception it goes to MD, and from MD it is between MD and executive director. And as per their comfort, they will see it. They will make the PA to entry it and call the officer, maybe vice president or CEO or what, whoever, and ask him to take the doc, signing the register. It's very odd. This is not the corporate culture, but big organization, large organization, they have made this kind of the system, and people have accepted it. They are doing it. So there is no if and buts. I have cited 2-3 examples to you. Many more examples are there. At each step in the organization, there is the work style which will differ from organization to organization. And what need to be changed? It is you, your approach, your habit, your thought, your philosophy. Everything has to change to new organization. Otherwise, you will be man of conflict and you cannot do anything. And if you are trying to change the system and procedure in the new organization, maybe you may get the professional hit. It can be refused. You may feel humiliated, insulted. So better, wiser counsel prevails and says that better you change yourself, you change your philosophy, you change your thought, come and join the work style going on in the organization. Before I call off, I will further set an example that your mind and approach to such work related style, a working style system, it should flow like a water. How many stone comes on the way in the river, but water never stops. Water will flow and one next second, next moment, it will take entire stone well within the water. And where stone was visible, rock was visible, there you can see the water. Where problem of work style is there coming to you like a rock, you change your style, approach, and fill the rock with your good, positive thought and work in the existing organization with the existing work style system. Let me say thank you very much, because time constant is there. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.